Welcome to our daily New England bird report from the beautiful state of Rhode Island here in 2022 summer, looking at our beautiful male Downy woodpecker, juvenile, well actually just a brand new one. Here's a female going around the pole, checking things out, sees the suet and the bird feeder there, will hop on the tray and then takes off. Here's another one, a little bit bigger, a female downy. We have 3 or 4 in the family, and checks things out. A black-capped chickadee up on top. Thanks for watching the bird report from the beautiful state of Rhode Island. Hope you're having a great day. Staying safe, being kind to yourself and others. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel or share if you like this. Thanks much.